What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I guess you're using this weekend to prepare yourselves for the next trading week. Well, this is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today, this video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week. Let me just check the date for the coming week of the 11th up and until the 15th of March. You can clearly see that the first quarter is now coming to an end. So before I get any further, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click the links to sign up with the brokers that I use, or if you want to check out my day and night vlogs, or if you want to be part of my Forex mentorship course, you can just choose which one you want to work with. Are you going to choose the virtual or the mentorship or the one-on-one one? You choose the you choose that subscription box, you choose that subscription, and let the COT Academy do the rest from that. But without further ado, let's hit the charts and let me give you guys gems concerning the coming week. So when you first look at the NAS, you guys know that the NAS price once created this type of like resistance, right? And possibly support and resistance. And now we're waiting for confirmation into what are we gonna find the zone being, right? So you can clearly see that on NFP. Okay, let me not say NFP. Yesterday, from this higher high, this all-time high, price did create that high and came back to the very same high and broke up after high and broke back below that very same high, right? And now closing above our very same intraday zone that price has printed out. Now my trade idea for the coming week is pretty simple. If price breaks below, or if price trades below this very same intraday zone, then I guess I'd have to continue being bearish. I would guess I'd continue being bearish with the momentum, right? But if price holds the zone and gives me a sign of that bullish momentum in beta depletion, then I guess I'd have to be bullish above this zone. So in some terms, I guess the NAS would have to wait for confirmation into what is really going to happen. Is price really going to violate the zone, or is price going to hold this zone? That's why I say it. If we get a violation, we continue bearish. But if price fails to violate, then I guess we'd have to be bullish. Do you guys get that? So second pair that we're looking at is gold. So you guys remember that gold once created this all-time high with this rejection right here, right? And it happened that from creating that all-time high, price now did what? Violated that very same all-time high and creating a new all-time high on gold, right? So when you clearly see how price has been moving, we've been having a push phase and an exhaustion phase, but hasn't given us signs of a deeper pullback, right? Or the signs of what of a deeper exhaustion phase, or the deeper pullback, or the higher low formation, right? So my trade idea when I say wait for confirmation, I'm just trying to see that based on how I'm looking at price, this intraday, this bullish trend that price has been holding, if we can get signs of price having that deeper pullback or an exhaustion phase, then I guess I'd have to be bullish. Or if price gives us what, that higher low formation, then I still have to be bearish, because at the end of the day, we have to follow what price is doing, right? When it shows us signs of being bullish, we follow it and look for our signs of confirming that I'm really gonna be bullish. Same thing with being bearish, right? So I'm waiting for confirmation. Me waiting for confirmation is to see signs that are we gonna have that exhaustion phase, that pullback, or that higher low formation before we can continue moving bullish. But if we see signs of being bearish, then I guess I'll have to wait this week on gold and see for the coming week what is really going to happen, right? So we should lie. The third one that we're looking at is USD CAD. So USD CAD, same thing. I'm waiting for confirmation, because you can clearly see that this is our zone we buy. We buy above and we sell below. And then the very same zone that we buy above and we sell below, right? So price is now trading in the middle of the two zones. So when price is trading in the middle of our two zones, there's two things that I need to wait for price to reach here or for price to reach here. Without that, then I guess I'd have to look for those intraday zones or those intraday movements and capitalize on them. But that's not the advice I give you guys, because I'm still showing you guys how it's done, because I know how it is done, right? But if you still want to learn more, you just DM me or comment so you can be part of our COT Academy Forex mentorship programs and courses, right? So we can give you game and capitalize on it, right? So the fourth pair that we're looking at is Tesla. The fourth pair that we're looking at is Tesla. So Tesla, you can clearly see that we above our major zone, right? Our major support zone, we below our major support zone. I mean, so when you clearly see that we have this push and now price gave us this exhaustion phase, right? Creating some type of flag, and now price initially gave us that break below. So obviously with this break below, for the coming week, just to keep things simple with you guys, is to just see that if price is still bearish below this zone, if price is still below this zone, the support zone, then I guess I'd have to still be what? Be bearish, because I'll be seeing signs and confirmations that we are bearish. But if we break above the zone, then I guess I'd have to do it to be bullish and just follow what price is doing and do what price is showing me. So repeating this, you can clearly see that price at this push, and now price gave us signs of this exhaustion phase or this pullback or correction, and then we hit this break. So my trade idea is very simple. If we below this very same zone, then I'd continue bearish based on all the price action that I'm looking at. But if we break above, then I guess I'm seeing signs of what, that possible reversal, and I have to be bullish. You guys get that. So last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you can clearly see that price is trading on our all-time high resistance. We're holding this all-time high resistance, right? So just to sum things short and just to complete this video with nothing, like nothing crazy or nothing hectic, my trade idea is very simple on Bitcoin. If price is above this all-time high zone, then I guess I'd have to be bullish. Or if price holds below this very same zone, then I guess I'd have to be what? I would have to be bearish. Because at the end of the day, I repeat, we're following what price is showing us. If we're seeing signs of being bullish, we continue bullish. Seeing signs of being bearish, we just be bearish, right? So Bitcoin, if price is above our major zone, then I'd be bullish. But if price goes below, then I guess I'd have to be bearish. Do you guys get that? So this would be my trade idea for the coming week. This week, I just wait for confirmations. Are we going to violate, or are we going to respect? Are we violating, or are we respecting? Are we creating, or we're printing out whatsoever and whatsoever, right? But without further ado, I want you guys to be patient with your zones, your setups, your candlesticks, your confirmations, or your confluences that you had before you execute, right? But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, do all that you want to do. But all I pray is that you guys win like I am winning. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video.